Hola clase, buenos días, buenas tardes o buenas noches. Soy yo, la señora Rump. Today, you're going to learn about ER and IR verbs conjugation. We'll start with a quick review of AR verbs. Remember, there are three types of regular verbs in Spanish: AR, ER, and IR. You can tell by simply looking at the end of the verb. Hablar, AR, comer, ER, escribir, IR. The rules for conjugating AR verbs are: drop the AR ending, keep the stem, this gives you the meaning of the verb, and look at who does the action and add the correct ending. This tells you who does the action. The endings for AR verbs are yo, o, tú, has, él, ella, usted, ha, nosotros or nosotras, hamos, vosotros or vosotras, hais, ellos, ellas, ustedes, han. For ER and IR verbs, the steps to conjugate are exactly the same. You drop the ER or IR ending, keep the stem, and look at the subject and add the correct ending to say who does the action. Here are the endings for ER verbs: yo, o, tú, es, él, ella, usted, he, nosotros, nosotras, hemos, vosotros, vosotras, eis, ellos, ellas, ustedes, en. Here is an example of an ER verb, comer, to eat. In this example, we dropped ER, we're left behind with our stem, com, which we filled in every part of the chart. Alone, com means eat. Now we'll add the ER verb endings: como, comes, come, comemos, comáis, comen. By adding the endings, we have I eat, you eat, he, she, or you formal, eat, he eats or she eats, and you formal, eat. We eat, you all eat, ellos and ellas are they eat, and ustedes, you all eat. Remember, they can never interchange, so you can't have yo comen, or you can't have ella comemos. They always match with these subjects. Let's look now at an IR example. Here are the IR endings. They're very similar to ER. You start yo, o, tú, es, él, ella, usted, he. Here they're different from the ER verbs. You have nosotros, nosotras, hemos, vosotros, vosotras, is, and finally ellos, ellas, ustedes, en, and this one's the same as the ER verbs. An example, escribir, to write. We drop IR. Our stem, escribe, means write. Now we'll add the endings to show who writes. Escribo, escribes, escribe. Escribimos, escribís, escriben. I write. You write. He writes, she writes, él and ella, he and she writes. Usted, you write, you formal. Nosotros escribimos, we write. Vosotros escribís, you all write. Ellos, ellas, they write. And ustedes, you all write. That's the end of this lesson. Look back if you need more practice with the endings, and then complete the homework for today. Please message me if you have any questions. Hasta luego!